welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is TJ. I do cleaning and home decor content. So if you enjoy those type of videos, of course, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And also, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you for the support and the love. I really appreciate it. And my one of my new subscribers, Conrad Twitty, this video is for you, of course. So you guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me what type of videos you want to see next, and I'll do them if it's within my budget or something. So don't let me do anything that's crazy. So I'm gonna clean my kitchen. I'm gonna start with the refrigerator because I haven't cleaned my refrigerator in maybe like 2-3 months. It's really dirty. And then we're gonna move on to the dining room as well as the living room. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. So let's start cleaning. So this brush that I use, I found this at Hobby Lobby. I use it to wash my dishes as well as my pots. I believe it cleans, much more efficient and faster. I don't have to use a sponge, which tends to take longer to clean the dishes. So here's my refrigerator. It's pretty nasty. I haven't cleaned it in about quite a few months. So I'm gonna throw away all the old stuff and clean it up. So now that the items are removed, I went ahead and removed my shelves as well so I can clean them up. They're pretty sticky and gooey from all the food and drinks that spill on them, and it's been a while, so I usually use this detergent to, soap them up, and then I wash them off with some water. On to the bottom of the fridge. I got some old lime, and those lemons are still good. And on the other side, I have some very old, rosemaries. I'm gonna throw that out along with that old juice that it's been there for a long time. And this is what the bottom of the fridge look like. It's pretty disgusting, so we're gonna wipe it down and make it clean again. the shelves are cleaned and I placed them back in the refrigerator. So now I'm gonna restock it. These are my yogurts. They're pretty good. I take them to work. So let's start stocking the fridge. So that side is complete. Now we're on to the refrigerator door. We're gonna remove all the items, clean it up, remove all the sticky stuff that's inside the door, and get it all nice and clean. I usually use paper towels. I fold them in half and place them on the bottom just to prevent, you know, the medicine from spilling onto the door and all the sticky stuff from all the condiments. It just pretty much keep this area, you know, as clean as possible. That's about it. Is it 100%? No, but it helps. So we're on to the cabinets. I usually spray them down with Windex and vinegar. I use it for everything. Windex and vinegar on the countertops, Windex and vinegar on the cupboards. It usually takes off all the grease and grime off cabinets and the countertops. So I highly recommend Windex and vinegar. One of my favorite cleaning products. It's time to clean the stovetop. I'm gonna wipe it off, then I'm gonna use my Ceramic Bright to clean it up. This product I highly recommend. It gets off all the stuck on grease and grime. And don't forget to use the razor. That takes off, you know, the stuck on food. So everybody, the kitchen is clean. My stovetop is nice and shiny. Look at that sparkle. You can't get anything shinier than that. But everything is clean now. Oh my gosh, this one was a tough one. My battery died, so I wasn't able to fit in the dining room and the living room, but you can catch that on my next video, which I'll be posting. So look out for my next cleaning video, which will be of my dining room and my living room. I promise you on this one. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you were able to get some cleaning tips from it as well. So with that being said, don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. So I see you guys on the next one, and enjoy the rest of the video.